Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel DIY Savvy Mommy once again, and welcome to my channel if you're new here. I'm Kshitij and I love making DIY, home decor, and lifestyle videos. In today's video, I'm sharing a fun and unique spring wreath for you all. This video is a part of challenge hosted by Lene from DIY Beauty on Purpose and Kiki from Kiki's DIY. Both of them are super talented and make amazing DIY videos. So I have mentioned their channel in the description box along with the playlist. Also hit the like button if you enjoyed today's video and don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and let's get started. To start with the initial wreath, I took first a potato mesh, and this comes in various sizes. I took a large one and I then folded it into half, and then keeping the side which doesn't have any fringes coming out, I folded it like so into a petal form. Once I got the desired shape and size of the mesh petal, I started tying it up with the help of a small string and then secured everything really tight. And similarly, I made 5 petals so that I can use these petals to make a large flower. Next, I took a styrofoam ball and I covered it with yellow potato mesh, and then I secured it nicely and glued the bottom portion with hot glue to secure everything really tightly. Once the styrofoam ball was nicely tucked in, I glued the styrofoam ball along with the petals like so. I kept the styrofoam ball in the center, and with the help of hot glue, I started gluing the red mesh petals along all the sides. And this is how my large potato sack or potato mesh flower is looking. It is absolutely gorgeous and so simple to make. Next, I glued the large flower on a wreath form on one of the sides and then started decorating the wreath form using some greenery, some flowers, and also the little cuttings of the potato mesh that I had. I also took some green pipe cleaners and then twisted along to make those creepers around the flower, and this is how I started decorating the wreath form in greenery and in little flowers. Lastly, I covered the entire wreath form in some green moss to give it a more garden like feel, as if the flowers are growing on a moss bed, and there are still creepers coming out of it, and there's also a large flower. I also glued some potato mesh cuttings, and they look like little flowers coming out of the moss bed. The best part about this wreath is that I'm going to add a little honeybee to it, who is there to collect nectar from the large flower. This honeybee is so cute, it's made out of metal, and I just placed it on top of the wreath form, and she carries a little bucket, and she's going to use this bucket to collect her nectar, and I couldn't resist putting her on the spring floral wreath. And finally, I used Scrabble tiles to write the words Welcome Spring, and I used it on top of the wreath form. And this is how my unusual spring floral wreath is looking. I hope you like it. It's so cute. I just love the little honeybee ready to collect nectar from the large flower. And if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. And I'll see you very soon in the next video. Till then, take care. Bye bye.